Hey folks, Don DeRosa here. I'm sending this video out to invite you to an event this Saturday. The link, dates, and descriptions on how to attend are in the website below. Every day I'm asked, where do I think the economy is headed? And my answer is always the same. We are headed into a transitional market. By transition, I mean a market that is slowly transitioning from a full-blown seller's market to more of a buyer's market. The million-dollar question is, when? By all accounts, the housing market on the surface is slowing, with no signs of slowing down. But what you may not see is unemployment is still very high, mortgage forbearances are still happening, evictions are still being delayed, and COVID is still very much a factor in supply and demand, causing things like building supplies to skyrocket from just a year ago. This is all creating an iceberg effect, or what we call the Titanic effect. Little to no issues on the surface, but giant issues beneath the surface. When you factor all this together, in my opinion, we are creating the perfect storm. Like the Titanic, the passengers are laughing and having a grand old time, but below the deck, the ship is taking on water. Homeowners are masking the issues with government's so-called help by delaying the inevitable. So, when this happens, what must investors do to prepare for the inevitable? That question is also a simple answer. Learn to buy houses using owner finance techniques such as subject to, wraparound mortgages, not to mention other no money down techniques. On Saturday, the details are in this post. I will show you why it is absolutely a must that you learn how to use these techniques. You will learn who it's going to affect, what you should be doing to prepare for this inevitability, and when you need to start preparing, and more importantly, how you need to do it. You will learn how to use these techniques that will save homeowners, and in the process, you won't need banks or credit to buy these houses when the ship starts to sink. The last thing you want to be is not prepared. Millionaires are made when markets tank. You need to be prepared on how to take advantage of this environment. Take action today so that you will be a life raft to the many who will need you soon. So on Saturday, we're going to talk to you about where to find them, how to find them, what paperwork to use, what to say to them, to get someone to actually give you the deed or owner finance you, because they will need you in the coming future. So if you're interested in learning on how to buy properties, no money down, or using other people's houses like subject to or wraparound mortgages, you must attend this Saturday event. So click on the link below and sign up today. I promise you it may be the best seminar you've ever been to. I look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much. Have a good day.